Hello and welcome to The View from the IADB. I'm joined by Alonso Segura, who is the Finance Minister of Peru. Minister, thank you for joining me. We are obviously in Korea for this event, and Asia is a major trading partner for Peru, but I know that the country is very keen to diversify its export base. Can you take me through the plans to do this?
Yes, first of all, thank you, Silvia, for the interview. I'm very happy to be here. We've been working, as you know, Peru is a commodity exporting country. We've been able to diversify our economy over the past decade or more. Our non-traditional exports have grown and kept pace with a double-digit growth in terms of commodity exports. But then again, we need to diversify more. So we have been implementing plans to help induce this diversification. We have different initiatives. One of them is our National Productive Diversification Plan, which aims at improving the productivity in the economy. We are making efforts at fostering innovation, transfers of technology. We're building innovation sites in different parts of the country, basically to help improve on transfers of technology in these specific areas based on their comparative advantages. Say if it's the jungle, to improve on forestry standards in order to make them export their products. If it's on the, say, the highlands, and they have incipient industries for producing wool out of Andean camels, also to improve on their technologies. So those are the type of initiatives we're launching in Peru right now.
Technology, which you've just mentioned, is also very relevant to the banking sector. You mentioned earlier that the government has put together a platform to improve and create, in many cases, the product of mobile banking. Can you tell me a bit more about this?
Yes, we are a leading country in terms of microfinance. But then again, we need to find ways to innovate and get into the, mobile banking or the new era of technology of technology in banking. So in Peru, what we have is an innovation. I mean, we've heard about different experiences in which you have mobile banking, but basically it's led by one bank or one telecom company. In Peru, it's the first case in which we have a joint venture between the government and the private sector. And when I talk about the private sector, all the banking institutions are building a common platform with the telecoms as well. So you have a universal platform for mobile banking, which is the way to get, with low transaction costs, to penetrate into new customers coming into the formal financial system. Basically in remote, not only in remote areas of the country, also in urban areas as well. But we need to this is a way of getting these people to participate.
And obviously this is going to help with the informality of the country, which you also mentioned that it is dragging back behind a little bit the potential growth.
Yes, our country is still, even though it's been decreasing over time due to the large success in terms of economic performance of the country over the past 10 to 15 years, still informality is high. It has several dimensions, including banking, but the reason we have low penetration still in the banking or financial system, the formal financial system, is that given that you have an informal labor market, which implies you have also informality in terms of tax compliance, hence you don't go through the formal financial system for your transactions. So also we are trying to induce more formality into the economy, and as a byproduct that will help getting people into the financial system. But the reverse causality is also true. I mean, this type of mobile banking, of microfinance initiatives help bring agents that are otherwise informal in many dimensions, bring them into formality.
Well, thank you very much for your comments.
Thank you very much, Silvia, for the interview.